Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I want to talk to you about my method 123 gel. Now that the logic is out of the way, how much quantity of gel to use? For me, I don't use a lot of quantity of products. I mean, I might use 4-5 products, layer them like this, but when I actually put them on my palm, it's not too much. When you are undecided about, okay, how much should I use? When in doubt, don't use too much. Just try to use a little tiny bit of each product. I will just show you the video that I have. I made this a couple of years ago just to show you the amounts. My hair looks different than this video, but just pay attention and see. I use literally a dot size amount of each gel. So the idea is not to use too much. The idea is to use different gels so you benefit from different gels. Now, if you want to understand what that is, if you're Indian, here is an analogy for you. Which one do you think is more nutritious? Eating just dal rice, or eating dal rice with lots of vegetables like in a North Indian or a South Indian thali? Which is more nutritious? Like, obviously the thali is more nutritious because there are so many options there for you to supplement the dal rice with. So it's the same logic. If you use just too much of one gel, it may not give you the same results for the 1-2-3 gel method. In fact, some gels like flaxseed gels or other film forming gels or custards, if you use too much, they will flick for sure. So that is why you want to use a little bit of different gels so that you can get the benefit of all. I hope this makes it easier for you to understand the hows and the whys of the 1-2-3 gel method. But if you do have some concerns or any other questions, just drop them in the comment below and I would love to answer them. If you've tried this, thank you for trying this method, and why don't you just comment and tell us what 3 gels you use so that it'll be easier for all of us to know, okay, these gels work together. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.